What's up, man?
Hi, today is New Year Eve, 31st of December, and it's 5:30 in the morning. We're in Gatwick Airport, North Terminal now, and I'm going to Iceland now. Where are we now?
Iceland now. Where are we?
We're trying to collect the car that we rent and try to travel with the car now. We are in our car now and we're heading to the airport to have our lunch.
Swan. Have to week every time. Today is 1st of January of 2018! Woo! It's the second day of our trip and we're going to Golden Circle now. See you there. It's day 3 and it's about 9 o'clock. Sun hasn't come out yet. It's gonna come out at now 11:30, but we're gonna leave now. So yeah.
You A few moments later.
在车等到没有办法，我也不懂这样走先。发现啊
这样吗？这样吗？
我们有那边来，我们接去那边也是没有看不到嘛，对吗？
1 hour later.
唉，长时间。Cheers mate。
切水头啊！这
Cheers
里
mate。Cheers mate。
哎，
Cheers
累死啊！
Hey, cheers mate。
哎，累死啊！
2018 man.
I'm gonna explain what just happened out there. The thing is, after we went through a long journey and we're getting close to our hostel, Waze guided us into a road, and then we thought we went on the wrong direction, so we changed our direction, and basically we got our car stuck in the snow. I didn't get to film the whole process because the first thing in my mind was to get the car out of the snow, and the day is getting darker and darker, and all of us get very tired, so we just want to get rest as soon as possible. But luckily we got a local help us out, and basically he